Hi everyone, I'm Jean. Welcome to Decorate for the Culture. If this is your first time visiting, I hope by the end you subscribe. Today we're focusing on a napkin ring holder, specifically made out of twine and thin wire. But of course, because of this channel we're on, we need to do a little twist. So we're going to be attaching this nutrition facts label, which instead of it having the normal food ingredients, it's more about culture, celebration, and having a good time. So when you put it together, it looks like this. I chose something nice and bright and colorful. I put 2 napkins for texture. There is your napkin ring holder. And then here's your label for your guests, which will be a nice touch. Now, what will you need? Twine, which is very inexpensive. Thin wire, this one specifically is gold, goldish color. Of course, you can get silver if you like. Scissors, hole puncher, and an object that you can make the circle. And finally, something that you're going to personalize your napkin ring holder with. Let's get started. So what I'm going to do is put the wire and twine together. I'm actually going to go around the wire with the twine, just tangling them together. There we go. As many times. This is very simple, rustic, if you will. It doesn't have to be rustic, depends on how you make it your own. All right, I did that a few times. Now, take our object and just start going around in circles. I would say minimum 3 if you want something a little thicker. So that's why we need the wire to hold it in place. All right, I think I went around like 4 times. Now we cut it. What I have, let's cut it. And slip it off. And this is what you're left with. Of course, we want to make sure we tuck the wire. We don't want it getting undone, so I myself wrap it around. And we don't want it to poke anyone. I'm going to do this with both ends. That's it. There you have it. Now, how are we going to personalize it? We're going to take our image or paper cutout. I have my nutrition facts. Use my hole puncher. The string does not have to be long because we don't want it to hang too low. I would say no more than 4 inches. I have this mat that really helps. I absolutely love it. It's inexpensive. Cut your wire. Tuck it in. And make a knot onto your napkin ring holder. There it is. Now it's hanging. The one we just made. This is the example. I can slip it on so you can see. This is the one that we just made. Of course, when you do put 2 napkins, it's a little thicker. There it is. Very quick, easy, personalize it. Let me know your thoughts, comments, and until next time, bye.